Looking at map points that feel empty or incomplete. MAPOG lets you change that by adding images, videos, and links directly to your mapped locations, so every point tells its own story. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and create a new map. Then go to the Add Story section and choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Next, click the Select Point Type Settings icon. Hit Add More Location Type. Here, name your location type, for example, infrastructure projects. Set the feature type to point, and start adding attributes like project name, contact, or status. Now, include multimedia inputs with their accurate attribute types such as image for project images, video for project videos, and website URL for external links. Once you've added all your attributes, click Save. Now select your point type from the drop-down. Browse your device and upload your Excel or CSV file with coordinates. Once uploaded, choose your unique ID, match your attributes to the Excel columns, and for placement, select either coordinates or WKT. Align them properly, then click Submit. Your locations will now appear on the map. To make them interactive, click the pencil icon on any point and choose Edit Point Details. Here you can upload site photos, logos, or short video clips. And if you haven't added links in your Excel sheet, you can type them in manually. Once done, your map points are no longer static, they're dynamic, clickable, and full of context, helping users explore and understand spatial data visually and interactively. Planners can attach construction visuals and project updates. Tourism boards can add destination photos, walkthrough videos, and booking links, and public departments can link awareness videos and emergency contacts, all in one view. Want to give MAPOG a try? Head over to story.mapog.com and start enriching your map with visuals and links. Need help with styling your map layers, presentation flow, or anything GIS related? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.